All right, seriously, how do we get out of here? Keep stepping. This is how it's gonna go. It's gonna be like this the whole way. Does that hurt?